Hello and welcome to another video in this module, and in this video we are going to talk about conditional funnel for your e-commerce. Now if I talk about e-commerce, e-commerce is basically for mostly it happens for B2C market, and let's suppose you have 30,000 products. It's not possible to create a 30,000 sales funnel pages or a funnel journey for targeting your audience for those 30,000 products. In this condition, we use a very strategic way to use the buyer's journey. Okay, I will share one basic example. So before jumping into the conditional funnel, basically a dynamic funnel that changes based on the action or preference of the user. Sharing a simple example, let's suppose you landed on a e-commerce page, or your customer landed on your e-commerce page. If they add your product into ad cart, what you are going to do? Next step, if I create a funnel for that audience, I will retarget them. Okay, based on, like, let's suppose 10,000 visitors landed on my 5 products. I will divide those who visited my XYZ product. I will retarget them so that they can take the purchase decision. I will keep them engaged. Based on their users behavior, and I will also create a segment customer based on the behavior, interest and specific condition. Let's suppose 50,000 out of 50,000 traffic, 3,000 added my product to their checkout. Now I will only target those 3,000 who added my product into checkout and retarget them into my funnel. Okay, this is how it works. Like, if you search for a product, visitor landed to your landing page, they add your product. If someone is doing a checkout, it means they are correctly following your funnel. But suppose if they add your product into their cart, then cart abandonment happened, then what you are going to do? You have to retarget them. You send them that offer landing page or offer the product you are offering. Then they reinitiate the checkout. This is how conditional e-commerce funnel works, and this is very like in e-commerce, if you have multiple products, you follow the same structure. Okay, it is more kind of advertising level, but the funnel works in the same way. Like, those who don't get added into your customers, you retarget them. Those who have already purchased your product, you offer them a similar product related to the purchased product from that XYZ customer. And this is how conditional e-commerce funneling works. So this is all about this module. If in future if anything new comes into the form of funnels, I will definitely going to add in this series. But this is enough for this module to learn a lot of funnel things and how it works. So see you in the next video, where we are going to learn more about the audience research. And don't worry on the funnels I have discussed here, because in module 8 or 9 I'm going to cover how to create these kind of funnels and how to drive traffic on those funnels. So this is all about this video. See you in the next video with a new topic.